everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Speak Up English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
I am very happy. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes, it's a very good topic. Very important.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes. And click the like button. And please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so, Paul, are you ready?
I am ready. So, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is Tell me about yourself.
Ah, a very common question. People ask this all the time.
They do. In a new class, at a new job, when you meet new people.
It's true. And sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
Yes. So today, we will talk about it. We will make it easy and fun.
That sounds perfect. So, who starts? You or me?
How about you start, Paul? Tell me about yourself.
Okay. Okay, my turn first. Where do I start?
Let's start with the easy one. What is your name?
Okay. My name is Paul. P-A-U-L.
Nice to meet you, Paul. My name is Emily.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. So, next question. Where are you from?
Ooh, good one. I am from Canada.
Canada. Wow. I am from the United States.
The United States. Very cool. Do you live in a big city?
I live in a small town. I like it. It's quiet. What about you, Emily?
I live in a big city. It's very busy, very noisy, but I love it.
That's great. A small town and a big city. Very different.
Yes. And do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It's a small house. It has a garden.
A garden. I love gardens. I live in an apartment. Is it a big apartment?
No, it's a small apartment, but it's very nice. I like it.
Good, good. Okay, so we have name, place,
Age.
and job. What's next?
How about how old are you, Paul?
If you want to say
Of course, it's okay. I am 28 years old.
28. Okay,
And you, Emily, how old are you?
I am 25 years old.
25, a very good age.
Thank you. I think so too. Okay, so now for a big question.
I'm ready.
What do you do, Paul?
I am a teacher.
A teacher, of course. You are a teacher on Mr. English channel.
Yes, exactly. I am an English teacher. I love my job.
That's wonderful. It's a great job.
Thank you. What about you, Emily? What do you do?
I am a student.
A student. What do you study?
I study art. I love to draw and paint.
Wow, art. That is so cool. Do you like your studies?
Yes, I love it. It's very fun and creative.
I can see that. An art student and an English teacher.
A perfect team for a podcast.
Love it. Okay, let's see. We have name, place, age, job. What else can we talk about?
Let's talk about family.
Okay, family is a great topic. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Emily?
Yes, I do. I have one brother. His name is Tom.
Tom? Is he older or younger than you?
He is older. He is 29.
Oh, so he is 1 year older than me.
Yes. What about you, Paul? Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. Her name is Sarah.
Sarah. That's a beautiful name. Is she older or younger?
She is younger than me. She is a student like you.
Oh, really? What does she study?